Imagine a world where your computer understands you perfectly, anticipates your needs, and even helps solve global challenges. How would that change the way you work, play, or even think about the future? What if I told you that this world isn't just a figment of our imaginations, but a reality being built by Microsoft through their AI innovations? Are you ready to see how far AI has come and where it's headed next? Get ready to explore how Microsoft's pioneering AI technology is transforming our world, one breakthrough at a time. Stay tuned to uncover the incredible ways Microsoft AI is touching every part of our lives. Microsoft's using AI to make your life easier and more productive. They're constantly adding cutting-edge AI to everything they make, from Windows and Xbox to Microsoft 365 and Teams. This means you're interacting with billions of AI-powered experiences every day, whether you're gaming, working, or just browsing. Microsoft's goal is to make your digital life more efficient and enjoyable, and their AI technology is leading the charge. Microsoft's AI tools aren't just for the tech elite. They're here to give a boost to everyone in the workplace, no matter their job title. Whether you're a scientist, a salesperson, a farmer, a coder, or a security guru, these tools are making tasks easier in offices, home setups, universities, labs, and even factories across the globe. AI can be a game changer for people, companies, and the whole society. Microsoft is all in. They're pouring resources into AI, aiming to blend cutting-edge tech with a personal touch to tap into AI's full potential. Responsibly, of course. Microsoft's approach to using AI responsibly. Microsoft knows that building powerful tech isn't enough. Using it ethically matters just as much. They're totally committed to responsible AI, guided by core values like inclusivity, responsibility, privacy and security, safety, and fairness. They're weaving these principles into every corner of the organization, using AI to do good in the world. Microsoft's Chief Responsible AI Officer, Natasha Crampton, puts it this way: with the right guardrails, we can safely bring cutting-edge tech into the world to boost productivity and solve some really big societal issues. Sure, this approach has its risks, but Microsoft is all about leaning into the challenge. They're pushing developers to be clear about any drawbacks, think through potential misuses, and find ways to enhance the positives while cutting down the risks. Microsoft is convinced that the best way to craft solid, practical guidelines for using AI responsibly is through democratic legislative processes. For more than 6 years now, Microsoft has been laying the groundwork for its responsible AI initiative across various departments and fields. This strong foundation is geared towards future growth and innovation. The company knows it's crucial to keep pushing forward, staying up to date with fast-moving tech developments and shifts in societal norms. Microsoft's approach to AI research. For almost 3 decades, Microsoft Research has been a powerhouse in computing, transforming revolutionary scientific ideas into groundbreaking solutions that massively benefit society and add serious value for their customers. The researchers at Microsoft are real boundary pushers, working collaboratively across disciplines, institutions, and countries. They're at the forefront of AI breakthroughs. Think natural language processing, conversational speech recognition, machine translation, image captioning, and crafting clever responses to complex questions. More recently, Microsoft has been diving into the large-scale models that manage incredibly complex data but remain user-friendly. With major advances in deep learning, access to gigantic data sets, and the muscle of Microsoft Azure's AI supercomputing, they've developed AI models versatile enough to handle a broad spectrum of tasks in various applications. For years, Microsoft's researchers have been diving deep into challenges and perfecting things like parallel computation, which dramatically speeds up the training of machine learning models. This led to awesome innovations like DeepSpeed, an open-source framework for optimizing deep learning that's now super popular in the tech community. Microsoft is all about creating real value and solving actual problems with their tech. Take Project FarmVibes, for example. It uses data and AI to whip up open-source tools that help farmers implement sustainable practices. Then there's the Microsoft Climate Research Initiative, where scientists fighting climate change get to leverage Microsoft's hefty research and computing resources. There's also the new kid on the block, AI for Science, where Microsoft is leveraging deep learning to model and predict natural events in science. They're tackling huge issues like climate change, renewable energy, and drug discovery. But here's the twist. Instead of just grabbing data off the web, their global team of researchers and engineers is innovating in machine learning by creating training data from simulated natural processes based on basic equations. Now, thinking about AI's role in our future, how do you think advancements in AI technology might change the way we interact with everyday technologies? And if you're finding this exploration of Microsoft's role in AI as fascinating, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more insightful tech content. Microsoft's approach to AI infrastructure. As businesses aim to maximize efficiency with fewer resources, and as their confidence in AI tech grows, they're searching for a dependable partner to fast-track adoption and cleverly integrate intelligence across their operations to enhance productivity, boost efficiency, and slash costs. Microsoft anticipated this trend over a decade ago and began developing specialized computing infrastructure to keep up with the soaring demand for AI capabilities. Enter Azure AI, Microsoft's powerhouse AI platform, fine-tuned to handle massive AI models and usher in a new age of creativity and productivity. Thanks to hefty investments by Microsoft, a broad spectrum of AI-powered products is now available, tailored to meet client demands and providing stellar performance and scalability, even for the most demanding AI training and inference tasks. Companies big and small are flocking to Azure AI solutions, attracted by Azure's top-tier privacy, security, and responsible AI practices, which enable them to operate more efficiently and quickly on a larger scale. Microsoft is on a quest to make AI accessible to everyone, and a huge part of that mission is transforming Azure into what could be called the world's AI supercomputer. Back in 2020, they unveiled their first top 5 supercomputer and have since added several more massive AI supercomputing systems, breaking new ground in cloud supercomputing. In a cool collaboration with OpenAI, Microsoft ramped up its AI infrastructure, making it robust enough to train and deploy OpenAI's cutting-edge models for some serious R&D. Now, this beefed-up setup is ready and available to all Azure users. Boasting industry-leading uptime, Microsoft's Azure OpenAI service offers businesses and developers the chance to work with some of the best AI models out there, like GPT 3.5 and DALL-E 2, all on a production scale. This same powerhouse service also fuels the AI in Microsoft's own lineup, including GitHub Copilot, Power Platform, the freshly launched Microsoft Designer, and the AI-powered searches in Bing and Edge. Microsoft's approach to using AI for social good. Microsoft believes that AI has the power to help us solve some of the biggest challenges facing the world today. Through their AI for Good initiative, they're throwing in funding, technology, and their expertise to help individuals and nonprofits advance in crucial areas like accessibility, digital literacy, sustainability, climate change, human rights, health disparities, food security, and cybersecurity, among others. Juan La Vista Ferres, the head honcho of data science at Microsoft and the leader of the AI for Good Lab, believes AI is the key to unlocking solutions for problems that seem otherwise insurmountable. For example, one of their projects involves mapping every inhabited area on the planet to better gauge risks from natural disasters and boost preparedness. Another initiative focuses on mapping the roofs of buildings in India, noting what materials they're made of, so disaster response teams can quickly figure out which buildings might be most vulnerable. And they're not stopping there. They're also piecing together a global map of all renewable energy sites to highlight the real-world impact of wind and solar energy installations. Microsoft's AI for Good Lab is putting Azure's cloud tech and big data to work, operating as a hub for applied research and data visualization. The lab's data scientists team up with experts from academia, organizations, and government agencies to dig into the effectiveness of ongoing projects in spot areas where a little help could make a big difference. Their projects are a joint effort with partners, tackling a wide array of challenges. Take the AI for Health initiative, for example. It supports research at places like the Seattle Children's Research Institute, IRIS, the Fred Hutchinson Cancer Research Center, and the Novartis Foundation. Thanks to these efforts, healthcare is becoming more accessible and affordable, especially in areas where medical needs are great, but doctors are few. Microsoft's contributions to AI are vast and impactful, shaping both the technology itself and its application in our lives. From enhancing cloud solutions with Azure AI to promoting ethical AI practices, Microsoft continues to be at the forefront of technological innovation. Now, I'd love to hear from you. What do you think about Microsoft's approach to ethical AI? And how do you see AI impacting your own life in the future? Drop your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and if you find Microsoft's AI development interesting, you should not miss what Apple is working on in the next video.